YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels and TikTok videos are also working, but are also getting frustrated by seeing other people's screenshots. And watching millions of views on your videos is a dream, right? So this video is especially for you. In this video, I am going to tell you a niche whose every video will have millions of views will be like Halwa. Do you understand? No. For you? I have a most viral and easiest premium niche has been found, where you will get millions of views and after 10 to 20 videos, you will get millions of subscribers. No, look at this example channel. It has only 24 videos and 164k subscribers. If you go to the About section, you will see that this channel has already taken more than 42 million views. Which means on average, more than 1 million views on every video and the audience. Totally premium, which means there is a lot of potential in this niche. And you can grow on it easily. This channel is working on animal facts, especially dog facts. You can watch the videos of this channel by opening it, which you can easily make with the help of AI. Let's take a look. You must have an idea what type of videos it makes. The best thing is, I will teach you how to make videos like this in this video, so make sure you watch this video till the end. We can make such content in a few minutes with the help of InVideo.ai. This website works like a ChatGPT but in video format, in which you just have to write a prompt and this website will make a full video for you. In just a few clicks, this website will handle everything in which your script, voiceover, subtitles, background music and even stock footage. But the question is, does this kind of content get monetized? And the answer is yes. The kind of videos we will make, if you add this much value to the content, then this content will not only get monetized, but also make you a lot of dollars. Because this content will be totally original, not copyright, reused or unoriginal. So let's get started. First of all, you have to think about video ideas. For example, you can think about pets, dogs or cats. Like 5 most dangerous dog breeds, you can watch other videos on this title, but just to get an idea you don't need to copy any of them. After video idea, we will start the process of making videos, for which we will use these videos. First of all, you will sign up on these videos, which is absolutely free. After making the account, we will prompt the website, but before that, since we are making short videos, we will select the option of YouTube Shorts below. Now we will prompt it, we are making a video. 5 dog breeds. And to get good results, the more detailed our prompt will be, the better. I have written this prompt for this video. Top 5 most dangerous dog breeds. And to make the video more interesting and to increase engagement, I have added these lines. Top 5 most dog breeds with captivating hope-raising question as hook and make the video engaging throughout. After this, we will come to the video settings. You can change the voiceover genre. In this video, we will use the male voiceover. You can also use your own accent. For example, American accent. And of course, subtitles make the video more interesting. Here you will get many options for subtitles. At the end, you have to select stock footage. Before this, you were searching for pictures according to your videos on Pixels or Pixabay. But now there is no need to waste time. You will get everything on this website. After all this, you have to click on Generate Video. After few seconds, you will get the edit option. But you will click on Continue and go to your video. After 1 or 2 minutes of processing, your video will be ready. You can watch your video. And if you still don't like something, you can change it. Here, click on Edit button. If you have any special pics or clips that you want to use, you can use the Upload button here. If you don't have any footage, then don't worry. You will get a lot of footage in search option. You can choose any of them. Click on the video you want to change and then click on the second footage to replace it. Simple as that. You can also change its script. For example, if you don't like any wording, you can change it. After doing all this, click on the Apply Changes button. Your changes will be added. You can also do quick edits with the help of this box. As you can see, put a subscribe request in outro. After this, if you see, the video is made more than a minute, which is a lot of duration for YouTube Shorts. You can also get it shot with this box. After all this, your video is ready.
Ever wondered which dog breeds are considered the most dangerous? Number 1, the Pit Bull. Often misunderstood, these dogs are powerful.
In the end, I'll tell you that if you want to make videos without watermarks, which look more professional, then you should buy this website's premium plan, which will cost only $20. Also, this video is not sponsored. You can buy this plan directly from this video. To download the video, simply click on the Export button. Your video will be ready to upload in a few seconds. The video is ready.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content.